but it may not look pretty.
I don't care.
And there will be some screaming and agony about, mostly on my part, but that's all right.
We do 3 bells or 3 whistles if we're going backwards, 2 or forward. That's why you hear the 3 bells. That's train and trolley talk.
And typically somewhat on the railroads, active railroads.
As I said, this was built right here in St. Louis. There was another project, the St. Louis Car Company, one of the last projects they did for St. Louis. It's still in operation. They did it in 1965. That's the end. Does anybody take a guess at what the St. Louis Car Company built? It's still in operation around 1965. How many people have been in the arch? The tram cars in the arch were built by the St. Louis Car Company. They built thousands of these cars and shipped them all across the United States. They built some subway cars in Europe as well. If you've been in before, number 10 is the car you probably rode on, because that was the most reliable one until it got broke. And it just wore and put on the roof and just kind of rolled. It's over 90%. You won't be able to say it's over 99% original. There's going to be a lot of new wood in the roof. So it'll be probably about 87%.
There'll be a new roof put on it. That's project number 6. I already have 5 ahead of it.
What's at the rear of the streetcar is the tunnel. It's over 400 feet long. It's the oldest tunnel west of the Mississippi. We used to be able to go into the tunnel, but it was in operation from the 1850s all the way up until World War II. It was closed down during World War II because there was one single track that all the war materials were being transported east and west, and that's the track we're on right now. So this became a choke point or a bottleneck. The railroad company blew away the hillside and put the 2 tracks in over there, hence no bottleneck.
So many people forget, where did we fight in World War I? Europe.
Everything called, yeah.
Europe. Where did we fight in World War II?
Europe.
Europe. Pacific. That changed the whole. We're in middle America, right here.
Right.
You got trains going that way, you got trains going this way.
Right.
Someone in FRA finally got smart, because what was also happening, once a train got to the coast, where did the cargo go? In a ship.
Oh, yeah.
And what does a ship do? It sails on the tide. If the tide is in, the ship left. If the load was not on the ship, it was sitting back on the dock. That was it. And someone finally got smart and said, we're getting a lot of missed shipments and delays and all that. You're standing on top of it. Well, you're sitting on top of it right now. Right here.
All clear, Sam?
Okay, thank you.
Do 2 bells because we're moving forward. We've track laid over here to the automobile building. We're 10 years into a 3-year project. We got permission last year to run wire over there from Metropolitan Sewer. We just haven't gotten around to putting poles and wires yet. I was told by somebody that I wrote with a couple weeks ago that they donated the wire. So we have the wire.
The wire's already down.
Where?
The wire's down in one of these locomotives. There's a little wire in
The
there.
guy who rode the car said he bought the wire. He used to operate with the trolleys.
Yeah, I just know the school's down there. It's gonna be a bear to get, it's stored in one of the locomotives down there.
Trolley
I think in
are
the
totally
third one
self-sustaining.
over.
We get no money from the museum. They do pay our electric bill, which is not bad. That's 600 volts. All the work, the money that we spend in bringing this back up to spec is all done through donations, either directly or through our fare box. We're at modern times, we even have a QR code if you want to use that. Pretty fancy.
And if you use that, you can get a copy of your donation for taxes before you close out. But the moment you close out, that's it. There's no record kept.
And your
We're not
information
trying to hack into the.
Any questions?